Hi friend, today I show to you the how to drain the lube oil from the engine. First we have loosen the drain plug. Some is also having the Allen key drain plug. So first we have loosen and remove by the hand, and we have also having one bucket for drain out the lube oil on this bucket. So no any lube oil will be fallen onto the ground. So we have collect the lube oil, drain lube oil into the bucket, and this is the process for the drain the lube oil from the engine. And it is after the draining this one, we have tightened the drain plug or drain bolt into the oil sump, oil chamber. This is the process for the drain out the lube oil from the engine. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends colleagues also.